You're on your way to cleaner pipes and longer-lasting appliances throughout your entire home. Use this installation video along with your owner's manual to install your new A.O. Smith Whole House Descaler. Before you begin, make sure you read the owner's manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. You'll need to have these tools handy, along with your box contents. First, prep the system by flushing it for 5 to 10 minutes. Connect a garden hose to the inlet port using the supplied adapter. Slowly turn on the water and allow the cloudy water to flow from the outlet into a suitable drainage area. Disconnect the system from the garden hose and position it for final installation. Turn off the main water supply and place the Descaler near the main water line. Cut into the main water supply line and plumb the system in. Connect the 3/4 male fittings to the system's inlet and outlet. Leave 2 or 3 threads exposed and do not exceed 7 wraps of plumber's tape. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. And you're done. Time to enjoy cleaner pipes and plumbing throughout your entire home.